Good evening, and thank you for coming. Tonight we're going to see about putting a map sensor in a 1999 Silverado, four-wheel drive. It's a 1500, got a 4.8 liter engine. Without further ado, let's get to it. Now you can find other videos on YouTube about doing this job like I did, but it seems that from year to year some of these engine configurations can change. So I'm showing you my truck, and so need an 8mm to loosen these two screw bolts up on the top cover, and this comes right off. Well, not right off, but you kind of finagle it off of there. So I'm going to detach the phone here. That's the map. All right, let me see if I can get it to focus. Here we go. That's the map sensor. Okay. Now I've seen some other videos where this device right, this plate with the cables on it and stuff, that you would have to like undo a couple 3 bolts, and the map sensor's underneath here. And I've seen some other ones that have a 3 or a 4.8. That there's no plate or nothing, and the cover just pops off with no bolts at all, and it's kind of like right here. So this is my 1999 with a 4.8 liter, and there's no plate to remove, and this is the map sensor back here, and we're gonna snap this out of here. So what you do is you just undo this plug, and there's some videos too of how to check the functionality and the voltage with a multimeter. They're coming out of this plug. I'll try and link those at the end of the video. So now you're supposed to be able to unpinch these two. There's these 2 prongs on either side here. I'm gonna have to put the phone down to get it out. So there's a prong here. Let me see if I can zoom in so you can see a little bit better. There we go. So let me see here. Yeah, there's one little thing right here and one little thing over here, and you spread those apart and lift up, and the part comes out. I'll get back to you. Okay, so here we are back at the engine. I got the new part. Let's go put it right back in the hole here. I'll trust the luck that that's gonna be good, because I broke off one of the clips. It's made out of plastic, and I guess it was brittle and it was time for it to break. So but that being the case, take the plug, put it back in there. There's the click. Okay. I pull straight up on it, and the one click's holding it in, or the one clip's holding it in. So we're just gonna go with that, and I think we're gonna be good. So I'm gonna put the cover back on now. There it goes. You can feel it going down in where it's supposed to go. The old electric aided fastener screwer downer in there. Just holding on a piece of plastic, so don't got to be too tight. Just 5 or 10 pounds right there. Snap doodle, you're in there. And now the big test. Will it start? So there you have it. An easy repair. Not too hard on the pocketbook. And this is something with just a few simple hand tools anybody can do. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I'll put a link or two, some other videos that has like symptoms of map sensor failure, and the testing one too, if I can find that again, so you guys can link into those and watch those videos as well. Thanks for coming to Tomahawk Fab Works. Have a good night. Have a good summer.